Guys, today I'm gonna show you all the symbols in the Bosch dryer Series 6. So let's check in the manual. The first symbol, this small vessel with the water drop, this is a symbol and indicator of your water tank. If you see something like that on your control panel, you have to empty your water tank. The next one is need to clean the filter of the fluff filter. The next one, the system of filtering, it needs to be cleaned. The next one, the HUD. This indicator is activated when the dryer just cooling down. This symbol is a drying. This one is a drying to ironing symbol. There we have a symbol to cupboard. The next one is a less creases. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.